CES 2023. We're in the, I'm not even going to try to pronounce that. But as far as the vehicles that they have, crazy vehicles. I'm not quite sure if this is a concept vehicle or if this is a real production vehicle, but this is the Trion Nemesis RR. It's up on a platform right now, so it's actually much lower it's supposed to be much lower to the ground. But let me do a quick flyby on this car. Trion. I'm not quite sure who makes this or where it's marketed. Yes. Nemesis RR. Trion Nemesis RR. CES 2023.